no ngucanio imwe tu ya ndagika 90 irugamite mbere ya timu ya Junior Starlets na mbitika cia World Cup cia airitu aria matakiritie ukuru wa miaka 17 kurumirira uhotani wa bao 3-0 hari ngucanio ya mukondo wa mbere iria irathakirwo ira bururi-ini wa Ethiopia. Bao cia timu no irafungirwo ni Lona Faith, Marion Serenge na Susan Okoth. Kocha munene wa timu eno Mildred Cheche aitikite gutugiria airetu ake akiuga marathakire kuringana na uria aramerite.
Created a lot of chances offensively and we had even more that we could have scored. But going back to the second leg, I think we have a lot to improve in terms of offensive actions.
Ngucanio ya mukondo wa keri iria igathakirwo guku bururi-ini muthia-ini wa kiumia giki, timu ya Burundi irabatarwo uhotani wa bao 4-0 na yaremwo gwika uguo Kenya ikegwatira tigiti wa 1-1 guthie mbitika-ini cia World Cup.
Playing at home, I would urge every fan in Nairobi, please come, even outside Nairobi, please come support the Starlets because we are just 90 minutes away from making history.
Mbitika ici ikahanika bururi-ini wa Dominican Republic mweri wa Dithemba mwaka uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV iharo-ini ritwa riakwa ni Captain Festus Lango.